Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this 30-liter dry bag, and Lamicall was nice enough to send this over to us for us to check out. Now right here, you've got your bag. It also does include a nice little waterproof case for your phone. Easy to operate this. These just fold open like that, and then this opens up and you can slide your phone down inside there. Now this does look like it's a pretty tight fit, especially with how large phones are these days. So let's go ahead and measure this real quick and see what it is. All right, so this is going to be just over 3 inches and just over 6 inches. But would you look at that, I do have a Samsung Galaxy Ultra, which is pretty much one of the largest phones you can purchase, and it does fit inside there. So yeah, that is actually a good size right there. Also easily slides out of there, and then you just lock these back in place. There you go. This does detach, and then you could just wear this around your neck or something like that if you'd like. Now the actual bag right here does have a little zipper up front so that you can stow away some stuff. This zipper feels really heavy duty, and then it's waterproof, so it has these little coverings on here. Here on the back side, you have your opening right here, so you can throw everything you need down inside of this. That bottom does just open up just like that. Right there you go. It does have these back straps on here, so you can wear this as a backpack, and these are adjustable. And then this top piece right here, in order to use it, says you're supposed to kind of fold it down 2, 3, 4 times, however far you need to fold it down. And then you take these and you attach them together, and then it will stay in place and keep that waterproof. So look at that. I like this material. It's really feels really cool. Yeah. Overall, fantastic little product right here if you're looking for a nice waterproof bag, whether it be to go hiking, whatever like that, and a nice little case for your phone. Go ahead and check this one out from Lamicall.